Okay, we're ready to start building. And first is the foundation, our design system. We'll start with variables. Variables are your design tokens, the single source of truth for your colors, font families, and size values. Instead of typing a hex code into a control, you define it once as a variable and reference it everywhere. The value lives in one place, and everything that uses it stays in sync. Yard Studio has a strong visual identity, a deep maroon background, a sharp olive green, and this bold yellow that shows up everywhere. These are perfect variable candidates. I'll open the Variables Manager and create our first color variable, Yard Maroon, set to our dark background color. Then Yard Yellow for the signature accent. Yard Olive for the green used across the project cards. Now apply Yard Maroon to the button. Same variable flow. Hover the column control, click the variable icon, select Yard Maroon. Now here's a familiar moment. The client says the color feels slightly off, needs to be a touch warmer. Well, I can now just go to the Variables Manager or to one of the elements that has that variable applied, update it once, and every element referencing that variable updates simultaneously. That's the power of a single source of truth. Font variables work the same. I'll first create a new variable for the condensed display typeface. Now another one for the clean sans serif. Done. Typography system set. And then size variables, available for Elementor Pro users. Spacing, padding, font sizes can all live as variables too. I'll create section padding and apply it to our main containers. Now I can rescale the entire site spacing from one control.